In the Wild West, there was one gunslinger feared by all. Not because he was dangerous, but because he was terrified of loud noises. Picture this: a dusty town square, the sun beating down, and our hero, the fastest draw in the West, trembling in his boots. The villain, a real nasty piece of work, sneers and raises his pistol. Draw! He growls. But before a single shot is fired, our hero lets out a blood-curdling scream. No, don't fire. It's too loud. He immediately drops to the ground, covering his ears, shaking like a leaf. He's fast, but panic is faster. Confused, the villain just fires a single tiny pop into the air. Our hero completely loses it. Ah, why would you do that? The villain just stands there, utterly bewildered. Some legends are born, others just scream their way into history. Thanks for watching, and subscribe for more.